What in the hell are you wearing today?
You clearly didn't get the memo. It was wear your pajamas to work day, Eric.
I did not, and I refuse.
But they're cool, they're comfy, and they're warm because it's freezing in here.
I think we're on the wrong side of the garage.
We are?
Well, we're not working on that turd this week.
We're not?
We're not.
Because we're gonna show you something special.
Let's step over here.
You know what we got for you? We do have a special. It's a Road Glide Special, a 2018. Paint is beautiful.
Beautiful as ever.
And we're stripping it down.
We're throwing everything away.
We're throwing it, no, we're not
we're not throwing it away.
We're not throwing it out. But, do you guys want to see it? Some of you who watch the channel already know.
Or, if they're subscribed to our Patreon,
yes,
they already know what we're doing.
Exactly. And we'll get to Patreon in a little bit. But first, let's see what we got.
I think you might have to put your drink down.
I know. Oh, and I'm drinking, guys, Evan Williams eggnog. Great stuff.
Noggers.
Yeah. It's very Christmassy.
Now, carefully.
It's weird being on this side of the
we have to explain to people, this isn't ours. This isn't ours. We can't scratch this
we
one.
can pretend it's ours. It is in our garage.
It is in our garage, so. Some of you who have been watching us for a while will know this bike. This is Papa Jim's 2018 Road Glide Special.
And those of you who don't know who Papa Jim is, that will be Eric's dad. Yeah, she's a beauty, right, guys?
It is really a beautiful bike.
And he actually just had this wrapped, what, like last year? Not even? Right in the spring?
It's not wrapped as the black part.
No,
here,
but the graphics.
All the graphics done to it. Give it that, like, the Apex look, I believe they call it, the paint scheme.
And if he's anything like you, which is where you get it from, he kept this bike pristine. Do we want to show them now?
I think it's finally time.
I think it's finally time.
You will notice there's a seat missing here. We're not going for that. That's one box. You're not touching that box.
All right,
if you want to put it on the floor or something, we're not going to show that one yet. I can give you a sneak peek. There is a Saddlemen in that box.
Of course there is. Why wouldn't there be?
Only Saddlemen.
Only Saddlemen.
But you'll notice that the Saddlemen that was on it is missing. We're letting somebody try that one out right now.
Did we even get to our solo cup?
Ooh, solo cup rating.
Ooh, solo cup rating, yeah. So, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a one job.
One job.
This is pretty strong stuff. Eric, he could probably do 2 or 3.
Yeah. I think
I'm gonna stick with 1 on this.
I think I could. This video is brought to you by Advanblack because tell them what we are doing. We are so excited.
So excited. So excited. So we are doing a full color swap. Full.
This is Advanblack's new HoleShot performance bagger kit. And we went with, if you already saw it, you saw the color we chose, Whiskey Fire.
Did they see it? I don't think we told them.
We did on the one video.
That's right, yes.
Saddlebag, we showed you a lid a while back. Whiskey Fire, whole bike is going to it. And the reason we're not exactly starting the whole bike today or putting anything on is we're still waiting for the rest of this stuff to come in. It's all been custom painted. And we're gonna turn you around and start showing you some of the stuff that we got because it is absolutely amazing. This is their chopped rear fender. Check this baby out. So it would
go this way, right?
Yeah, so this is going, let's go to the back of the bike. Oh, sorry about the lighting in here, guys. So it's gonna be much shorter. It is much shorter.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able, and it will have no holes for the turn signals or anything like that. It has a full wraparound license plate frame that goes through it. And if you can see, that color is going to be absolutely insane. Check that out. We apologize for the lighting in here. We are fully under construction. Fully under construction. If you can see, that side's a lot brighter at this point because I did the hexagon lights on the ceiling in the front. Still working on more. So.
All right. I'll fix that in a minute.
Get the box down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back through and fix up all the boxes. So what is next, Toots?
All right.
Bring it over.
All right, I'm just finding the opening so I don't drop it.
I don't want to do that. Papa Jim is watching and cringing right now, knowing you.
Hey, listen here, Mr. Reckless, who likes to mess up my bike a million times.
Yeah, but we're gonna take a vow. We're not scratching this bike.
Maybe you shouldn't work on it then. They really do a good job unpacking this thing.
Yes, the packaging is supreme. So be careful because there's side covers in there. I think it's one for each side. All right. Check this out. Hold that thing up. So this is their chopped saddlebag. So if you get in there nice and close, you'll see, look at the way it angles down there. It has a whole shorter look to it. And if you were getting this and you were just buying these bags for your bike and you didn't do a color swap, your stock lids would just go right on there.
Yeah.
We had to do the whole lids, everything. So
actually, and isn't the
inner part of your lid will go back on there. So like my dad's case, he's got all stickers in there and we're able to leave that.
Yeah, he was pretty upset at first, right? That he thought that he couldn't use his inners and then realized like all the stickers he's collected over the years, he can
and just like the inside of the bag lid, the upper part. What she's opening up now are the side covers, and these are the triangle FXR style side covers. And they have the notch in there to match the bag when it's alongside of it. They found us.
It's cold in here, huh?
Finally.
Yeah.
I think this.
I think they just put the wrong one in the wrong.
Yeah.
Watch out for that.
We finally found you, and now we came down.
Yeah.
We sneaked down.
I know you did. Careful of the heat, buddy. All right, so
this is probably,
we won't open up this one because that's just the other bag. We'll leave that one out. While she opens up, let me tell you, this is the coolest thing on the market right now. And I wasn't even allowed to tell you guys that they were selling it yet. I was just showing that you had it, but it has officially hit the market. So you guys can go ahead and place an order on this thing right here, and it changes the game. We'll have to pull it out right from the hole.
Right from the hole. Oh, there you go. Sticking your fingers in holes, Eric. Exactly.
All right, well, we had to take a second here.
Yeah, we had to put everything away.
Pack some things up. It was getting a little crazy.
You were getting a little crazy.
Reckless. Reckless. So back to it. This is Advanblack's Performance Bagger chopped tank here. And I believe they're the first ones on the market to just start selling a production chopped tank like this. So
yeah. Oof.
That color is insane. Bless you. Salute.
There's a cinnamon in there. Made me sneeze.
So you will take everything from your stock tank and the insert on the guts, and you'll put that in there.
Yeah.
If you don't feel comfortable with that, I would definitely bring it somewhere and get it done, because there's a lot of things that are going to go in there. Yeah. But this tank is going to be absolutely insane. So we've showed you the tank. We've showed you the rear fender. We've showed you the saddlebags. The saddlebags.
Saddlebags. Good job.
The lids we showed on a previous video, so we're not going to take those out. The side covers we have. Always stickers.
Always stickers.
Every box that they send has a thing of stickers in it. So
Eric's favorite.
I don't know what we can really show with this, but this is so this is pretty cool. So the license plate bolts will actually have LEDs in them now. So since you don't really have a license plate light anymore,
it's like a monkey in a football.
Packing is very good. You broke the kitchen?
Yes.
What do you mean you broke the kitchen?
What'd you break in the kitchen?
Right here.
Oh my god.
So our kitchen is not broken. We thought it might be.
Not broken. We thought that was going to be a crazy disaster up there.
So that is the license plate bracket. It's going to go around the rear fender, and it'll kind of just on the new fender. It'll kind of go around and.
Absolutely.
So that's how it's going to look pretty.
It'll go like this, right?
It'll clip around the sides. It doesn't there's no holes in your rear fender. So if you didn't want to run a license plate on there for whatever reason, You don't have to.
Who's not gonna?
I mean, there's plenty of people that don't.
Yeah, okay.
These are, I'm gonna hand turn now. These are the side fillers that we didn't get to show. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So those will go in between the fender and the bags.
Yes, the fender and the bags, yeah.
Yeah, and that's
That'll
the new
be cool.
tail lights. It's like the CBO style side lights. They're chopped on they're upside down. It's like that. And then they chop and they perfectly match the bags. They are flush even. I just can't get over this color. I really can't.
It's pretty awesome
And
color.
if you think about it, like, what a pain it would be to bring your bike somewhere to get it painted.
Hell
You have to like take everything
And it's
off
honestly probably around the same price anyway.
Yeah, I think this is still a cheaper option because if you're somebody that's going to pay somebody to take it all apart anyway, and then pay somebody to put it all back together. Yeah, so there's 2 in there. Comes with everything. I'll tell you what we're waiting on still. We are waiting on the front fender, the front fairing, and the lower. And we also have some carbon fiber goodie parts coming for this thing as well, which is going to be really, really cool. The headlight's staying for now. That's Eagle Light's projection one that we put on a while ago. We have a nice...
that wasn't so much the nightmares.
No, that was a lot. They're so much easier on the new bikes to do. And another one. So this is the bag lids. If you want to pop that one out real quick and just show them that. But we've been waiting to open up this to show you guys. So that's the bag lid. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. It's gonna look so good with this color with black is gonna look so good because this bike's covered in the black parts. So we also have some other stuff from Advanblack in those boxes that we're not gonna quite show just yet.
We're gonna show you what the other stuff that we end up getting. Well,
it's coming soon. It's on its way. It's on its way. And with the other Saddlemen's box, we have picked a perfect seat to match this color. So what do you guys think about the color choice? What do you think it's?
I think it's an awesome choice because it's a beautiful color, but at the same time, it's not too much of a very common color.
Yeah, you don't see much of it.
Yeah, so I think that's nice and kind of get out of this sea of the black Harley look, you know? That's why I love the Road King. I love the different color. I wasn't a big fan of colors. And then I saw that one and I was like, oh yes. Oh yes. So if I was gonna do any color, it would be the blue or something like that for sure.
And let's go ahead and start the war again because you guys know that this look right here, this chop bag, it's a performance bagger kit. Yeah. Like this is their kit. The fender is short, it's a short fender. Yeah. The fairing is the same. It's the same fender, so that's just a direct replacement, but it's the color. So knowing all this information, we have a question for you.
And you know what it is if you've been following us. Is it duals or 2-in-1?
What kind of exhaust should we be running?
Because right now we have dual exhaust on here.
And it sounds really good.
It does sound really good. What is he running on this?
I forget the slip-ons. I'll plug the name in below, but they sound really good. It's a stock head pipe and just an intake and like a little flash tuner on here. What do we got?
I love his little exhaust tips though. Oh, he took them off.
Oh yeah, he's got like 3 different. He's got like 3 different exhausts for this thing. So you see the bags are cut. We completely understand why you'd have duals on this bike. The bags are notched, they're cut. Yeah. These bags are not notched or cut. Knowing that information, what are they going to choose? We want to hear from every single one of you.
And even if you're a duals person, such as myself, take into consideration the look, you know, because
no more cut bags.
No more cut bags.
So
that makes a difference.
It does make a very, very big difference.
I don't know. I'm not really sure what I don't even know what I would do. I'm a dual person.
You are a dual person.
I do not like 2-in-1.
You like the way they sound though.
I mean, I like the way they sound, but I can also get that sound with my duals.
No, you get a different sound that you like with your duals.
It's still just as loud and just as great. Let's go back over here.
Let's go back over here. Let's go back to this side. Yeah. So if you've been following us on Patreon, you would let there be light. You would know already what's going on with the garage updates, but more and more is happening every time you guys watch.
And speaking of Patreon, today's shout outs we have this week. Dusty has joined the Patreon club. Thank you so much, Dusty. We also have a super thanks from Rodney
Fields.
Yes. We appreciate you guys so much. We hope you had a very Merry Christmas, because you guys will be seeing this after Christmas. And we hope you have the best New Year ever. We love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging with us. And as always,
thanks for watching, guys. We love you.
Stay tuned for the next one.